Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I'm talking Disney World. Do you have little toddlers and you're not sure what rides they can go on? Well, I'll give you a list. You just stay with us. There are a lot of rides in Disney, and some of them are great for teens. Some of them are great for adults. But what do you bring your toddler on? You don't want to bring them on anything that's going to be traumatic, but you want to enjoy the trip and you want to bring them with you. So I'm going to give you a list of the different parks, and I'm going to tell you which rides you can bring your little ones on without too much issue. So let's start at Animal Kingdom. Let's see. Navi River Journey is a good one. It's full of beautiful dreamscapes with nothing too scary or dramatic, just very nice. It's tough to be a bug if that show is open. That is fantastic for the toddlers. Kilaminjaro Safari shouldn't be an issue. It's basically an open air ride through a safari jungle. None of the animals get close enough to you that you have to be worried that something might happen to your kid. It's great for the entire family, so that's a good one to go on. Now, Tricera Top Spin is another choice. But if you want to go to that one, it's going to close in January. Now, right here is Dinoland that I'm showing you. There's a lot of different rides in Dinoland that might be appropriate for your children. You know them better than everyone else. There is a carousel. There's certain things that you might want to try, but a lot of this will be gone in January. So it's not always going to be that easy for the kids when you go to Animal Kingdom. That is not the top place that I would bring them. So where would I bring them? Well, let's go through the list and I'll tell you. Next, let's talk about Hollywood Studios, because Hollywood Studios is becoming more and more popular. And there's 3 rides that I think that would be good for them. I'm going to say Story Mania because it's a lot of fun. You just pull a string and try to hit little targets, kind of like an old-fashioned arcade. And it doesn't matter if they win or they lose, but they would enjoy riding on it and they can try. Also, Mickey and Minnie Railway is a lot of fun. You're just going to sit in a car and ride and look at things. They might also like the alien swirling saucers. You got to judge your kid on that. And some of these might have height restrictions, so you're going to have to check. But Hollywood Studios can be tough to bring the little ones. There is Slinky Dog Dash, which is a child's roller coaster, which, depending again on your kid, might be appropriate. So you have to really judge. You might want to go to some shows like Fantasmic and see things like that. I don't know if any of the Star Wars rides would be good for them. I kind of doubt it, so give that a second thought. The Indiana Jones is a good one to go to as well. So let's go to Epcot. You definitely want to avoid Mission Space. You might want to go with Turtle Talk with Crush. Frozen Ever After is a lot of fun, especially if they like the movie Frozen. The Grand Fiesta Tour in Mexican area is great for the kids. I love it personally, and I think the kids will. You might want to go with Living with the Land. The Seas with Nemo is good. Figment, I love Figment, and that one is great for them. There's Journey of Water, which they just walk around. Now, Remy's Ratatouille, I don't know if they would like that. It might make them a little dizzy if they're prone to that, but it's not crazy. So it's possible if your kid doesn't mind spinning around a little bit that they might be fine with that one. In Epcot, you can always watch different events. You can go to the American Village, and there's a lot to see. So even though it sounds like Epcot, you think of Epcot, you think food and drink and adult things, there are some things at Epcot that are probably fine for your kids. Spaceship Earth is another one that would be fine. I don't see a problem with that. So Epcot, there is some things that you can definitely do. But the best place to bring your toddler, I would say, would be to Magic Kingdom. There is a lot going on in Magic Kingdom, and they should be fine with many of the rides. I have a huge list of rides at Magic Kingdom. Of course, it's a small world. Everybody loves It's a Small World, and it just goes around. Should be fine. There's a Winnie the Pooh ride that I think they'll love. Even the Haunted Mansion, you see it here, but there's nothing crazy. There's nothing dramatic. There's nothing really scary in the Haunted Mansion. So unless they're terrified of everything, I would definitely bring them there. There's a Dumbo ride. Buzz Space Ranger, maybe. If the riverboat is still there, if it's gone, you know, it's leaving as well, so you might not be able to do that. There's a Magic Carpet ride. There is a Tea Party carousel. The carousels are always good. Me personally, as a kid, I got sick on carousels, but hey. Astro Orbiter, I don't know. I wouldn't bring the kid unless they really, really like that type of thing, because it goes around and it's high, and it could make a toddler a little dizzy. Peter Pan is another great one. They're going to love that. Pirates of the Caribbean, they should have no issue in there. The Jungle Cruise is fun for all ages. There is definitely nothing scary. A lot of jokes. Some might be a little adult. They won't get it. But, you know, it's a lot of fun. There is also the Barnstormer. People Mover. People Mover is a lot of fun. It goes around and looks at a lot of things. I can't imagine anybody having any problems there. Under the Sea. Speedway, you're driving in a car. There's also the train if it's open at that time. There's a lot of, as you can see, parades. There's several different shows there as well. So Magic Kingdom by far is the best place to bring a toddler. There's more rides there than anywhere else. For them, and a lot of them they'll definitely be able to go on. I am going to leave a list in the description of the ones that I feel are good. Some of these do have height restrictions, so if there is a restriction, you might want to know about how tall your kid is before you attempt it. I would definitely avoid any of the roller coaster rides like this one. There are a lot of shows at all the parks that I maybe didn't mention, you know, like Lion King and Animal Kingdom. There's also a bird show in Animal Kingdom. There is also at Animal Kingdom is a Nemo Blue new show that went on, and it's beautiful. I absolutely love that show. I mean, there are different shows at different places. I'm just basically want to tell you the rides to avoid and which ones I think would be best for toddlers. So those are it. I hope you enjoyed my list. This is RockinRobin. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We do a lot of videos on Disney and around Orlando because there's a lot of things to do in Orlando with your toddler that are not necessarily in Disney, and those will be great for you to watch and know where to go. Please leave any questions you have in the comment section, or any videos of something that you're looking for me to do and give you more information. Also in my description center, you might find some discounts to Disney. So if you don't already have tickets, take a look, see if you find something. Now you go to Disney. I think you're going to have a great time, even with your toddlers, and make it a magical experience.